Hello crafters, welcome to CraftHitz. I wanted to make a little video to talk about myself and my channel. A channel trailer, if you will. My main goal with this channel is to explore fun hobbies and create some cool art. I want my videos to inspire and spark creativity, a place for ideas to be explored. The last 2 years have taught me a lot, but I'm still learning how to be a better creator and a better artist. There is so much more left for me to learn and explore, and I appreciate everyone's support. Thank you for joining me on my journey of creativity. Please feel free to share your hobby experiences in the comments and also to let me know what other things you would like to see from me in the future. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope you have a wonderful day.